In this video I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy KeePass. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading KeePass executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to the KeePass download page. Here I will scroll down a bit and I will be downloading the MSI package, so I will click here. And then I will wait for the download to start, but in the meantime I will go to my downloads folder and wait for the executable here. And now that I have my executable, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible for my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer. Here I will enter my file server name, it's srv02. Here I have this software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder. I will name it KeePass. I will go inside of that, and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on Packages, then I will select New Package. I will name the package KeePass. Then I will click on Steps, Install. Here I need to provide my executable, so I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server, srv02, software share, KeePass folder, and select the MSI file that I have here. And because we are using an MSI file, we don't need to provide any more information here. We can save the package and close the window. And now I'll be deploying the package to a few of my clients, so I will select the package here, then I will click on Deploy, Deploy once. Then I will select my targets by clicking on Choose Targets, Active Directory, and selecting Computers. Here I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on the button right here. The targets appeared in this window. I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 client that I have here. We can see that we have desktop shortcut for KeePass. I will double click on it. Here I will select Enable, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.